people. It's been a minute or two. It's been a while, but you know, we're busy. We don't have no time to record anything. You know, and that's what happens when you're work from home, daddy. While Kai gone to our regular Riri. So there, it's hurricane season, and today is the day. The big day, not true?
What do you mean the big day?
The big day.
You want the storm to come?
It will take a miracle for it to make a drastic turn right now.
But you're so excited, like you're wait for it.
No, because
nobody wants a storm this evening, so I don't understand.
But Kai, I'm not afraid to know. That's the one thing I'm not doing.
Not afraid to pray. Or pray. But I don't know why you're excited.
I'm not excited. People may just not want the roof blow up. That's all. That's all.
That's a mile. Hello, what's wrong?
Kaylee and Kalia stop the fighting.
Let me see.
Because Kaylee wants to car.
Kalia is so soft. Kalia bad for everything. So the on the road we try to see if we can get some water. Well, we try, you know, make sure we have enough water. Never get the water.
Drive out and go fast.
And that you want to do? That's not my aim, no? We want to get some more water. We never get for full the 2 bottles of water.
There's
that's
no way that will be open.
No, but last night the line did long and everything.
We have water. Can I just feel say we have a lockdown for days and can't leave the house. Right? But by tomorrow.
Yeah, because of where we live, Stephen, the pond might run over and there's no way in and there's no way out. So we have to try and make sure so we stop up with everything.
But you got to work tomorrow.
Oh.
You know, how people go to work.
Well, as long as the place locked.
Them busy
last night and stuff like that.
I mean, no problem if you drink it and water, you know, I'm going to boil it. Because pipe water.
What's your cash pot place open?
Remember, it's pipe water.
The cash pot place open?
No,
oh my. In the rain, in the... Let me see if I do it open. It was open. You can see it was open. But it closed. Cause look, where the man they get bored from.
I don't know, I couldn't hear. I didn't get it from. We never come out of hardware. The man people like a rain and fall and thing.
Last night the rain, it was very heavy. Some heavy water. And drop out of the sky.
And the girl wake up tormented because she swear said the hurricane reach.
Yeah, that's why.
He sleep like a baby because you know rain and fall, play school and nice and all of that.
The place never cool, me did hot.
When the rain and fall?
Yeah, me I wonder how no, I was sweating. And me I said the fan now work.
No, man, because I'm afraid you're afraid.
No, me never did a fret. I wasn't fretting at all. The fan, me I said this fan you now work, man, because me I sweat and Stefan did a sweat.
Shop open, but it's not a hardware.
Them not sell water.
There's nobody over Colbeck, man, button up. But damage
them for them house just make. For them house just make. Them not for worry about no roof. Them not for worry about no problems.
Yeah, people, the only thing.
I for them live right there, so that's why them can't open for them wholesale because they live on top. That's how we Chinese people.
That's what I say, people. Never button up a windows. But when I think we have nothing in the yard to come blow and.
You don't have anything, but you don't know what is blowing elsewhere at home. That's what I'm talking about.
This is the roof are the more important thing, as long as the roof stay on. Because you have to go under a bed with the picnic there.
And them not going to stay under a bed. Well, them not going to stay under a bed because they're afraid. But we're not talking about that. We're not thinking about that.
And so people pray up to the roof. Remain standing or set the stamp.
And I hope that everybody else
take a turn.
Preparing and make sure you have everything at home, flashlights, candles, lamps, whatever it is, your power bank, all of those things. Yeah. Well, see, one next Chinese store they open. Right there. China them open. Well, one of them tell me to come back tomorrow when we get things. Let me see if the greedy store they all have open. They say it have to open the one beside Scotiabank. If it not open, you know name. Let's see if it open, because it always open. It's from Sunday to Sunday. NCB put up them shutters.
Yeah man, there's some shutter I want on the windows.
Them leave the ATM part open though. In case anybody want to go and use the ATM.
I want some shutters I would want.
Yeah, I would rather the shutters.
It's board thing.
Yeah, it neat. And then when a time like this, you just close them and that's it. We need to invest in some shutters. Junk fat clothes or something, we expect for them. So
right.
Go because the lady said she have open.
Which lady?
Shoot me, lady, why you coming?
No, but I don't know where you are.
Yeah, well,
yeah, but where are you going?
The store.
Which store? So we have a money.
Everybody
except the Chinese one.
Yeah, the Chinese because them live upstairs. They live on them buildings. So when them ready for close, them just lock up. But when they want come from the road from morning, probably get 2 bun or something.
Bun to what?
Or some dry food
You
like
buy
bread.
enough dry food. You don't want no more dry food. Miss. You will just take time to eat. That's no.
When I take time to eat.
Why?
I wanted to buy chicken breast last night to curry some chicken back. That me should I buy curry some chicken back in the day with white rice. Alright, why the car them not going? One to the car where they in front of me. What's that? I know traffic them in front.
So the breeze are blowing out, you see the water. That's in left to right.
When rain fall and breeze up, you don't get much water. No, you don't get much water. Because the wind actually blow the rain. But when it just rain like that without wind, that's when you get a lot of water.
Rather water, you know. Keep it wind, we don't want the wind. Yes,
yeah,
Stefan?
The wind do the damage. Yesterday KFC full, me have to wonder.
Everybody want to get in the last KFC.
Yesterday KFC full, me have to wonder what happened.
Now warm it up today.
Yeah, we should have buy some wings. Last
no,
night.
it locked miss.
We should have buy some wings last night. There's always a calm before the storm. Don't. You say place calm?
Calm and empty.
And you know when rain ever fall to the sun really, really hot. Yesterday the sun was so hot. Hot. No breeze. No breeze. The sun was hot. So you know,
Water go.
one second. Anytime the sun hot, well hot, then the sun well hot. And it's still steam. That's the shop. Grab a few things here and there. No bread, no bun, no biscuits.
It's just a sheep for the bread and the bun and the biscuits. The man is supermarket last night.
But obviously, even my special bread, we normally would have left back on the shelf, would have dead because people don't normally buy honey wheat and the raisin one and the omega one. They always leave on the shelf because a lot of person really want the bread there unless them tea.